You smiling for the camera? Cheese. Yep. Where's your brothers? Let's go get them. Let's go find Cameron and Landon. Hi, Captain America.
No, I'm Captain America's daddy.
Oh, okay. Who are you?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
You want to see?
You're walking with authority.
Hey, Mommy, I fell from here.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You guys need to clean up that playroom. It's a mess.
I fell from there and I got a boo-boo on my butt. It hurt.
Oh, dear. What? No, you don't. We don't jump on the sofa. Get down, Landon. Yeah, but we don't climb up on the sofa either.
This is Colby Clifford.
Landon. What about Colby Clifford? Captain America, I think Spider-Man needs help. Those boys. You still have your sunglasses on? Jacqueline?
Yep. Yeah.